First, let's go over the items you will need before you get started. Ensure you have a box big enough to fit all your items once wrapped. You will need enough bubble wrap or foam padding, and a sealable bag or plastic wrap to protect everything you are sending. Make sure to include any items relevant to the repair, like the battery or SD card, so that the technician can properly diagnose and test your issue. Now that you have your items, grab some packing tape and go ahead and print your shipping label and service order. You will also need to include a copy of your sales receipt to validate the warranty for your products. Lastly, fragile stickers are recommended, but they are optional. Once you have all your items ready for shipping, let's begin by removing the accessories like the lens, battery, or memory cards from the body of your camera. Make sure to cover the camera sensor and both ends of the lens with the caps that came with the item. If you're missing these caps, a couple layers of plastic wrap is a good alternative. Now, whether or not you have the caps, you can wrap each item fully in plastic wrap for an added layer of water protection if you want. A sealable bag is also an option. Just make sure you get as much air out of the bag as possible. Then, make sure each item is wrapped in several layers of bubble wrap or foam to protect them from damage during shipping. The wrap should be secured with tape and then packed tightly into a sturdy cardboard box. Make sure the items are secure and cannot shift during shipment. Once all items are packed, go ahead and seal the box. Just make sure you tape up all seams and edges. Now, attach your shipping label and optional fragile stickers, and that's it. You're ready to send your item to us.